From the vibrant tapestry of a flower in full bloom to the gentle rustle of leaves, gardens have the power to soothe the soul and ignite the imagination. Join us as we explore some of the most breathtaking gardens from around the globe. From the formal grandeur of European estates to the tranquil beauty of Japanese Zen gardens, we'll uncover the stories behind these horticultural wonders and the people who created them. Our journey begins in Victoria, Canada, at the Botanical Gardens. Once a barren limestone quarry, it's now a breathtaking display of horticultural artistry. Jenny Butchart envisioned a lush oasis in the early 1900s. Today, the gardens span 55 acres, a testament to her legacy. The sunken garden, with its cascading pool, showcases nature's reclamation. The Japanese garden offers tranquility with its stones and streams. At dusk, the Italian garden glows with magical lights. We journey now to the south of Spain, to the city of Granada, home to the Alhambra, a magnificent palace and fortress complex. Here, within the Alhambra's walls, lie gardens that are a testament to the exquisite artistry of the Islamic world. The Court of the Lions, with its intricate tilework and the gentle murmur of water flowing from the mouths of 12 marble lions, is a masterpiece of Islamic architecture. Water, a symbol of purity and life, is central to the Alhambra's gardens. Fountains, pools, and channels weave their way through the courtyards and gardens, creating a sense of tranquility and coolness in this sun-drenched land. Cypress trees, their dark green foliage a striking contrast against the white marble, stand tall and proud, offering shade from the intense Spanish sun. Orange and lemon trees, laden with fragrant fruit, add a splash of vibrant colour to the scene. Our journey takes us now to the ancient city of Suzhou in China, renowned for its exquisite classical gardens. These gardens, often referred to as scholar gardens, were designed as places of contemplation and reflection, embodying the principles of harmony and balance so central to Chinese philosophy. Water, representing the flow of life, is a key element in these gardens, often represented in meandering streams and serene ponds. Rocks, carefully chosen for their shape and size, represent mountains and islands, creating miniature landscapes that evoke the grandeur of nature. Pavilions and walkways, strategically placed to offer picturesque views, invite visitors to pause and appreciate the beauty that surrounds them. Bamboo groves, their slender stalks swaying gently in the breeze, create a sense of tranquility and peace. The humble administrator's garden, one of the most celebrated classical gardens in all of China, is a microcosm of the natural world, with its winding paths, hidden grottos, and serene ponds teeming with colourful koi fish. Our journey through the world's most stunning gardens takes us next to Giverny, France, the home and inspiration of the renowned Impressionist painter Claude Monet. Here, in this tranquil village, we discover the garden that served as Monet's muse, a living, breathing canvas that inspired some of his most iconic works. The water lily pond, with its iconic Japanese bridge, is instantly recognizable from Monet's famous Water Lilies series. The play of light and shadow on the water's surface, the reflections of the weeping willows, and the vibrant hues of the water lilies all come to life in Monet's canvases. Beyond the water lily pond lies a world of vibrant colour and intoxicating scents. Flower beds burst with a profusion of blooms, roses, irises, poppies and sunflowers, a riot of colour that changes with the seasons. Paths meander through the gardens, inviting visitors to lose themselves in this floral paradise. We journey now to Tivoli, Italy, home to the magnificent gardens of the Villa d'Este, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a masterpiece of the Italian Renaissance garden. Built in the 16th century for Cardinal Ippolito II d'Este, the gardens are a testament to the opulence and grandeur of the Renaissance era. Terraced gardens adorned with elaborate fountains, statues, and grottos cascade down a hillside, offering breathtaking views of the surrounding countryside. Water, a symbol of wealth and power, is the lifeblood of these gardens, flowing from elaborate fountains and cascading down waterfalls, creating a symphony of sound and movement. The Fountain of Neptune, with its powerful jets of water shooting skyward, is a testament to the technical ingenuity of the Renaissance engineers. The 100 Fountains, a series of whimsical fountains depicting mythological creatures and scenes from Roman history, is a delight to behold. Our horticultural adventure now takes us to Southeast Asia, to the vibrant country of Thailand, where we discover the Nong Nooch Tropical Garden, a sprawling botanical paradise spanning over 600 acres. Here, amidst the lush tropical vegetation, we encounter a dazzling array of exotic plants and flowers from around the globe. Palm gardens, succulent gardens, and orchid nurseries showcase the diversity of the plant kingdom, while meticulously manicured topiaries, shaped into whimsical animals and geometric forms, add a touch of whimsy to the landscape. Traditional Thai houses, adorned with intricate carvings and vibrant colours, offer a glimpse into Thai architecture, while daily cultural shows featuring traditional Thai dance, music, and martial arts provide a vibrant spectacle of Thai arts and traditions. And for those seeking a more immersive experience, elephant rides offer a unique way to explore the garden's vast expanse. Our journey through the world's most exquisite gardens leads us back to France, to the Loire Valley, a region renowned for its fairy tale castles and picturesque landscapes. Here, we encounter the Château de Villandry, a 16th century marvel that boasts not only stunning architecture, but also some of the most remarkable gardens in Europe. The ornamental vegetable garden, a masterpiece of geometric design, showcases a dazzling array of vegetables and herbs arranged in intricate patterns and designs. The interplay of colours, textures, and heights creates a visual feast for the eyes, transforming a humble vegetable patch into a work of art. Beyond the vegetable garden, a series of formal gardens unfolds, each with its own distinct character. The water garden, with its central pond and elegant fountains, provides a sense of tranquility and reflection. The love garden, divided into 4 sections representing different forms of love, features symbolic plantings and intricate boxwood parterres. Our exploration of botanical wonders now takes us to Marrakesh, Morocco, a city of vibrant colours, exotic scents, and bustling souks. Here, amidst the city's vibrant energy, we discover the Majorelle Garden, an oasis of tranquility and a testament to the enduring power of artistic vision. Created by the French painter Jacques Majorelle in the 1920s and later restored by fashion designer Yves Saint Laurent, the Majorelle Garden is a feast for the senses. Bold, vibrant colours dominate the landscape: cobalt blue, sunshine yellow, bougainvillea pink, creating a surreal, almost dreamlike atmosphere. Exotic plants from around the world thrive in the Moroccan sun: towering cacti, spiky aloes, and delicate bamboo, creating a mesmerizing tapestry of textures and forms. Our journey now takes us to the heart of Japan, to the ancient city of Kyoto, a city steeped in history and tradition. Here, we discover the Japanese Zen garden, a place of profound tranquility and simplicity. Zen gardens are characterized by their stark beauty and minimalist design. Rocks, carefully arranged on beds of raked gravel or moss, symbolize the ebb and flow of life. The Ryoan-ji Temple in Kyoto is home to the most famous Zen garden, with its 15 rocks inviting contemplation. Our final destination on this botanical adventure takes us to the Netherlands, a country renowned for its windmills, canals, and of course, its tulips. And there's no better place to experience the Netherlands' passion for tulips than at Keukenhof Gardens, also known as the Garden of Europe. Located in Lis, just south of Amsterdam, Keukenhof explodes into a riot of colour each spring, as millions of tulips, daffodils, hyacinths, and other spring bulbs burst into bloom, transforming the landscape into a breathtaking tapestry of colour and fragrance. Walking through the gardens is like stepping into a real-life impressionist painting, with vibrant hues of every imaginable colour blending seamlessly together. Over 7 million bulbs are planted each year at Keukenhof, creating a dazzling display that changes weekly as different varieties reach their peak bloom. Beyond the tulips, Keukenhof boasts a variety of other gardens, including an English landscape garden, a Japanese garden, and a historical garden, showcasing the history of the tulip in the Netherlands. We hope you enjoyed this journey through some of the world's most stunning gardens. From the meticulously manicured to the wild and untamed, gardens offer us a glimpse into the beauty and diversity of the natural world and the boundless creativity of the human spirit. Don't forget to subscribe for more beautiful explorations. Until then, may your own gardens flourish with colour, fragrance, and life.